Aha, iwo murebi witu wa Ankole Media ninkusimira kimwe ndi Beazine ZDJ Serebu wambarakanye na mukuru w'echanga Lithan MC. Of course yari show yitu yakatete tugya beach comedy kandi yabariho ekintu cyabaho munonga ncodi ndikwendo gamba Lithan. Enkayane yazarwa gati ya Roborosi na MC Shukran MC mutayi wawe no ni artist arimu industry ni yemwe no kigamba uti
nyona backstage tunamanya na inayamboza hariya ngwine byabaho tunabicengaje nkani kubanalyzinga manye cyabaho hata cyo ine kuri nka presenter funa MC ofune Roborosi buri mo reside yeye then itwenka abantu tuzakujajenga late
eto tukirugo tunetse shongoro tsya eche shongoro tsya ne bacheta
echo kunywa eche shongoro nchikolira abanywi abakunywa beer abakunywa whisky abakunywa tonto iyo nonyashi nonyoka Guinness araba kunywa chitiribita araba kunywa soda wano mayangu nonywa eche shongoro nechawe za YouTube alonde Lithan MC eche shongoro bacheta echo kunywa nchikozire kujya nyeyo abana bato ninga abana batakumanya mu industry engeri nyine platform so tunekwendozinga abana bamwe
akamuheru Lithan abenti nanguwe nakunana akokoza I follow you wona kunana nimwe mukudoza kwa ipingo mu runyankore ucigarwite abenti cyagumire ba MCs kwa ipingo mu runyankore in a way of promoting our language abeshongozi ntura abatikoze kandi hata runyankore ne rubaru recognize outside
tingo nakutayira ebakora nyoni nkole cyisheme kola because ndio mwana nkulira aha banzarira aha nyine promoting cyinkuriremu na ipingo mu runyankore ni cyecho so no shanga bari ba MC umwe orumi twakurumanya konka wana urumanya ipingo mu runyankore at the end of the day tune pushing a language yetu
wow, I'm happy to have you MC Lithan MC. Let me go on with Star Scent and Red to the forthcoming show niyokwenda tugamba basically Star Scent Arut
lisede shaniwe
defeat asemergo kufuna
niye na
si no mukama ni humuramiza itotuga barunyankore ari anu mwana mufomfoze njungu zanyu
mwebare kutura actually abantu mbatekateka ngo nyankore tiye kurugamba ukani ndumanyaje ndio mwana kurire hanuya mwebare kuturaza aba Western Media TV
tugaba
Ankole Media nasemerwa mnogo kubashanga
wow tugaba a forthcoming show subire erwe biro binga hetu etabantu
19 Ankole Place oramukagoro kwisha turi Ankole Place twina beshongozi twine line up ya ba DJ twine ba MC bono mchanga abantu babariyo kubakuja kukashi DJ gundi na shata na korata na zanata Ankole Place ebiri 19 byona
kwa Rodin twenda tushobora ni mutukora mutakushanga you've kept together for this period of time you've been together.
Listen to quite a mutual respect and determination. Turi abantu bari determined kandi turi hari tukumechiro tukwenda kugoba kandi hichi tukizaha ombwire buce aho kuba mbwenu tuze tukwatagana n'abantu binji ombwire buce cyatuyamba munonga kukaitukuza nore tukakora so myakebe kandi cece nshamana munonga.
I get you. So tukusibura Star Scent. Why did you choose kuja mukore chinte chako bati changu ba DJ kore chinte?
No, basing on me, according to I feel I work better with competition. When is on a Red, it's like a competition. Kubanga we don't prepare before coming on set. No, buri omwe naizana neche yo mutwe. So buri omwe inekwereka mutayiwe ni kusingati. And with that, abafani bitu niko tubashemeza.
Just let us just call people to come in our show.
Kumi na mwenda abanyambara umutuno kuna Western talents, no respecting our Western talents. Kinao kwenda Western talents so zirebe next year or 5 years from now. Na banyungusaba tickets nezo mutwaro, VIP tables nezo mutwaro ashatu. Mwijebiri ale bad still it's a ticket just tickets those zile available those are showile ziroho.
Where can we find them?
Abantage you can check up mtawuni wando ndano you can holler at me, you can DM me on my social handles Star Scent DJ everywhere, Star Scent DJ and Red everywhere, Facebook, Instagram. Ngambia no ticket nizaje kuletera hori personally I will deliver it.
Wow, thanks so much Star Scent, thanks so much Red. Mwebara kuchawe Ankole Media TV ndi Beazine ZDJ. Come through every 19 ari Ankole Press.
Musajja yawasa kati infolo wa kabimane. Ulabye mbadde muyimbi wadde mulayi wadakoze omuyimbi. Anyways, konka abantu mwele mnoga kutukunda. Let me tell them something. Kanje china bagambera. Bantu mwe tusaka kunzire music ya hand. Eka tumanze tuachira abeshongozi bitu ba Ankole, abeshongozi bitu bambara, abeshongozi ba Katete, abeshongozi ba Palaso, ba Rage, bona ba chitire bakatandika nkaba tukoye. So eka tuba supporting, tuba endorsing, tuba kunde. Tokamanya nyenchakale omweshongoza ya stage nakuba Rage wa nyenchakale.
Asa wachigambaje.
Wachenga. Aroma MC tubakaterire jala konkancha ke nakuba Shukrano wa nyenchakale. Nakuba mukuru wechanga wa nyenchakale. Nakuba Kacheche wa nyenchakale. So leka bana omwana yana jeza ukwereke cyari muhereze platform. Mureke kuba buwinga. Nko kuyisha mwachire. At the end of the day no mwana wa Ankole. Mukuru wechanga. Wewe mnaga utikunda sign up. Bless you.
Asa pulidan wagambaje. Mutero bugaro bamana. Konkani twatwisha twatine bakama bitu. Fede tuba ba owner of the show. Shera ya muntu. Bwagamba nti esawa y'abayimbi eweddeko ebekoze eki. At the end of that day go mimbi togenda kunsasula bambo clat.
Selecta, kuluta ningale kale. Nina mani, noza kuchiriza ngo nina mani. Nina mani, noza kukakasa ngo nina mani.